Hi, I'm Shweta Jain. I'm the principal designer at Space Karma Designs. Space Karma is a multidisciplinary design studio based out of Ahmedabad. I've always been connected to art in some or the other way. Even when I was a child, I don't relate to it as just doing something like a painting or by creating corners. As a child I would kind of create these small corners, try to beautify them, try to bring in some kind of element to it, be it with the lights or be it with some element in the house. So that is how I used to behave when I was a child. That is how I would even demand from my parents, when I would look at things around in my house, that, oh, we need something beautiful here, or we need to add some wallpaper here or some painting here. So that has been my connection with art, with colors or with textures, and that is the impact that it has had on me throughout my journey. It's extremely essential. I would not say it's just an accessory. It's way deeper because you cannot design a space without having art or without having any sense of creativity to it. Now by that, it just doesn't mean you added a piece of painting. Art can be any form. It can be a sculpture. It can be a form, a pattern you've created in the floor. You've collaborated with somebody and you've kind of created a door, like a statement door through art. So it's a coherence of design and art. They both go hand in hand because I think it's a flat canvas if there is no art in interior designing. So it kind of adds a statement element to the whole space. It starts at a much earlier stage. Once we've conceptualized the whole project, we know where all we want to introduce art. We kind of define which artists we want to collaborate with and create that art, depending on what the project type is, who the client is. So after we've defined what kind of art we want to, we get in touch with the artist. We start conceptualizing with the artist. We kind of give them the brief of what the project concept is, what is the client's brief and lifestyle, and then we give a freedom to the artist to ideate. So because they are creative in their own way, they ideate in their own way, and their creativity adds more value to the whole space. So that's how we start. So we let them create, we give in our inputs, there's a lot of sampling done, and of course then we get it finalized from the client and take it further. I would say not always. It is very client subjective that they understand the value of art. We have to really pitch them through and make them understand that what kind of value is going to add, what kind of an addition is going to be to their space. Most of the times, yeah, they do get convinced. But there are times that they don't see it as a necessity or something that they want to invest in. But I think it is becoming an integral part now as we are moving further. With each client, it's only getting better, and they are only understanding the value, the kind of depth that it adds to their space even more. So I don't think it'll be much of a problem in the coming years. I think we've almost come through it now, and it's only getting better from here. Yeah, it definitely does. I think commercial spaces, they have some budget constraints, so they are not always open unless if it's a private office. They're not always open to invest in like a very expensive art unless if it's the director's cabin or something. So we of course need to add some kind of art, to bring in some vibrancy to the space, to break from the monotony of their work routine. So we do bring in art, but then it's not the very expensive art, we kind of budget it down. But for residential, it's very, very personalized. It's extremely customized, personalized. We get into the little details, the nitty-gritties of what they would like, what would suit their lifestyle more. It's more about the everyday nuances of their own life also. also, you know, which we want the art to reflect at the same time. So residential, definitely we have more freedom over there, we can explore a lot more. But commercial, it's not that we do away with the art, we are definitely putting it there, but in a different way. I've worked with a couple of artists for a lot of projects. So based out of Ahmedabad, I've worked with Shaina. I've worked with Ujjwal from Noya. We've worked with Anek Taka. They all do a lot of different mediums, but we've created something beyond paintings with them. You know, we've kind of created door pieces, we've created headboard panels, or we've created legacy walls. You know, something that is much beyond the conventional way of art with all of them. For my personal self, I collect a lot while I'm traveling. The latest collection was what I recently picked, like a series of Mario Miranda paintings from Goa. I think those are my latest in the collection. But yeah, over the years there have been, I would not say very, very famous artists, but like these small pieces from around the world, from people who are even doing paintings down the road or making these sculptural pieces. So it's that kind of art that has been collected. Yeah, there's definitely a need for greater awareness. I totally agree to that, because we aren't yet completely exposed to that kind of art. I would, for a matter of fact, say even the generation behind us, like our children, you know, the more we take them to these kind of art galleries, exhibitions, is when they understand that, okay, art means this, you know, and art has this kind of depth and value. And honestly, I would say a platform what you all are having, something like this definitely works wonders, because it is much more easier to bring them here to show what all is there and what all kind of artists, you know, like you all are having artists which people don't even know about, have not heard about. So you can actually see that kind of myriad art forms and paintings around on just one platform, be it online, or if people want to come and see it in actual, you know, they want to actually see the look and feel of the painting. So I think a platform like this works wonders, and that itself will create a lot of awareness in people. You know, it makes life much more easy, especially for architects and designers, is that there is a one-stop solution. You know, all that they have to do is bring them, tell them this is the idea, and make them select the painting.